Hello big people, my name is Fiona and today I'm back with a very informative, educative, interesting and wonderful video of how to take care of your skin. How you should take care of your skin, what kind of steps you should take. So before we go further into the video, I want to welcome you back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back. That goes to my old viewers and subscribers. Thank you. And also to the new viewers, you are very welcome to this channel. This is where you're gonna find the very educative, informative videos, tips on different things and aspects of life in this channel or on this channel. Yes, let's dive into the video. It's better to always use a facial cleanser. So with me, I use Clean and Clear. This time, it's what I'm using. I've used several of them. I'll come back and give reviews. But according to my skin, I use Clean and Clear blackhead cleanser. This cleanser contains salicylic acid. So since I have an oily skin, so I like to use salicylic acid, which can help to prevent and clear blackheads. Yes, blackheads. So if you also have a problem with blackheads, it's better you choose the Clean and Clear or any other cleanser which is having salicylic acid to clear the blackheads or prevent them. Yeah, so I would use it with cotton pads. You would prefer to get something like this or any other, but this is better for me for easier application. So use cotton pads, just pour it on your cotton pad and cleanse your skin. So this is our number one step that we are gonna use today onwards, or even continuously if you've been using it. So to cleanse and protect, prevent breakouts on your skin. Yes. Number two is the mighty glycolic acid. Yes, I'm using the ordinary, but there are very many other types on the market, so you can use all the others, but for me, I choose to use the ordinary. Yes, the ordinary glycolic acid. This is a toner. So after cleansing your skin, you need to follow up with a toner. So with glycolic acid, you don't need to use it more than 3 times a week. Yes, a week. So because it is too strong, and you do not need to overuse it, because if you overuse it, my God, you're gonna get backfire. And remember, if you're using this glycolic acid, you need to also wear sunscreen on a daily. Don't miss out on sunscreen. Don't even underestimate the power of sunscreen, black girl, black boy. You need sunscreen on your skin on a daily. Yes. So I would give you another review about glycolic acid. You can also use glycolic acid for your underarms to lighten up your underarms such that they can match with your other skin, So this toner is a mighty miracle worker, I would say. You can also use it to lighten up your dark lips, elbows, then also your knees. So you can use it also to prevent chapped or dry heels on your foot. Yeah, you can use this glycolic acid. Very strong, and also very strong. So another thing I would include after that, I use my mighty vitamin C serum. So this is a facial serum. After the cleanser, I apply the toner, which is my glycolic acid. Then after that, I use the facial serum. So this facial serum is basically water-based, so it's not too strong. It does not clog the pores. So this is my facial serum. I use this brand from Face Facts. Works for me. You can choose whatever, but I would prefer to use this facial serum. Yeah, comes with an applicator. You just squeeze, apply on the skin. So this is with the toner. After the toner, facial serum. Then after facial serum, moisturizer. Yes, your moisturizer or lotion or cream or whatever you're using, or jelly, I would say to those who are using jelly, that's when you apply all of that. I use my bio oil body lotion. I love this body lotion because it's very light on the skin, but oh my gosh, it leaves your skin feeling so smooth. It leaves your skin so shiny. I actually love this. I love bio oil body lotion. This is how it looks like. So these people bio oil, they have this company has this oil. It comes in 2 different varieties, I would say. This 175 ml, and then there is another bigger one. So this roughly costs around 25,000 shillings, Ugandan shillings, and then the bigger one costs like 50,000. Yeah, depending on where you buy it from. I get mine from the pharmacy, yeah, or any supermarket around, but I prefer pharmacy. Yes. So that is our skincare routine that we should always follow. Cleanse, tone, serum, moisturize. So thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless you.